I have shaved my entire head with a straight razor before, and I think I kind of want to try it right now, but it is going to take a lot of concentration. Should I try it? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews, back again with another video. Thank you guys so much for showing all the love you did on the last one. And as promised, today I told you guys I was going to show you an unboxing and the first test with a new razor I got. Now, when I told you it was new, it's new, but it is something I've tried before. So this is the original one that I've tried. You guys see that it does not actually have a head on it anymore. But this right here is the Schick Hydro 5 cents razor. This one was the one with the blue top. It actually got doled out, so I already tossed it out, so I don't have that to show you guys anymore. But the blue one was the, I'm gonna have to put a picture up or something online, I forget the name of it, but the one that we're gonna be trying today is the green one, and then they also have a yellow one. Apparently the green one here is the sensitive version. So let's go ahead and zoom in, and we're gonna show you guys what comes in this box. All I can say without even having to use it though, this is a amazing deal. So as you guys can see right here, it comes with the razor. It comes with 3 extra cartridges because there is one actually on the handle. Comes with a pair of socks as well as some shaving gel, some shaving cream, whatever. So this is like their little holiday bundle, as y'all can see right there. Went ahead and got everything out of the box there. Didn't cost much at all. It does say right here on the box it is a $24 value. So you know I paid well under $24, and if it shaves any good, it's going to be a good deal here. So I'm going to make sure I put a link to this kit in the description box below if you guys want to gift it to somebody for Christmas or something like that. But I'm going into this on a positive note because I've used some of their other razors already. So these is the pair of socks that I'm getting right here. Pretty cool socks in my opinion. I don't think I'm actually going to wear them, but I mean, it ain't like no corny, stupid looking design or nothing like that. So that's cool that they gave me some socks. So this could sit in here. Does it go a certain way? I think it goes this way. So this is how it can get tossed into your luggage, your duffel bag, whatever, for travel. And this one does seem pretty cool and stuff like that. But the other one was just a smaller one that just specifically covers the blade itself. That's pretty cool that it comes with a little travel kit and stuff like that though. This one, I thought it was actually a case, but it's not a case, guys. So it looks like a case from the top, but behind is just clear. So I guess you can't really travel with this, otherwise they might pop out. So I mean, that would have been kind of cool if it had like some type of drawer or something to pull out, but I guess it's extra, right? So again, I'll zoom in for those of you who may not have seen the other video, but this is how the razor is. It is a 5-blade razor. It has some type of gel or like soap and stuff that when you add water and stuff like that, that actually gets applied to your head, the little stuff in these pods here. And then the bottom part right here at the bottom is kind of like a plastic to make it, or like a plastic rubber, I guess. Yeah, it's more rubber. It's kind of soft. It's pretty soft at the bottom. But it has like little grids and stuff on it. I don't think my camera's going to be able to zoom in that much to see it, but it actually does help stand the hair up for those of you who might like to shave against the grain. It also does have a feature here in the back where you can pull it like that, and it'll keep this blade from moving back and forth if you only want one direction. Or you can do this and it can actually give you a full motion there. It doesn't go side to side, but it does go front to back. And if you don't want that as well, there's a lock on it right here in the front. Or actually, that's for this part, my bad. This part is the part that goes front and back. You can put the lock on and it can stop it really from moving a little bit. Here is the cream right here that we're going to be using. This is the Edge Cream Sensitive Skin Shaving Gel with aloe vera. Don't need too much shaving gel right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. That actually, it looks like I do need a little bit more because it feels like it dried up by the time I got to the back of my head. So I do think it is going to put a good strain on this razor. But these days, that's kind of what I've been doing, you know. Ain't been shaving my head every single day anymore, every other day even. It's winter time, man. It's beanie season, so I mean, no questions asked when I always just throw on the beanie lately. All right, so let's go ahead and get today's shave started. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's cutting through. All right, so after a few passes, it doesn't look like it's actually knocking the hair down. So let me rinse the razor out. As it appears, maybe the hair is getting clogged in there already on the first couple things. What I like to do as well, when I get something like this, I don't just instantly blame it on the razor. So what I'm going to do now is actually do this and lock it, because as I'm actually sliding this, it's actually just moving with my head, so I'm not really allowed to apply that much pressure. But if I pull it like this, now it's not going to move, and the pressure should match what I'm actually used to. So now let's see if the hair cuts. Alright, a little bit better, but even now, as you guys can see me going over the same spot, is not coming off. So let me zoom in right here too. You guys gonna see how clogged this razor is getting. Even though the hair doesn't appear to be actually coming off of my head, that's the reason it's not coming off right there, because it's getting stuck within the blades. Now again, I do feel like that's the reason why this is the sensitive version. These blades probably not going to be as sharp, so this is probably a good thing for beginners. But anybody with thick hair, I don't think this is going to be the one. However, I'm still going to continue since I've already started. Let's continue here. As you guys may know, from just having shaving experience in general though, once you go over the same spot, you are taking off a little bit, so the next time you do another pass, it's going to be a little bit easier. But look what I'm saying right now. How frustrating this can be on how all the hairs is just getting clogged. Now I'm going to do a test right now. I'm going to turn on the water. I'm going to rinse it for a couple seconds. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to see if it actually clears out easy or not. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and now let's see. It does appear that it actually rinsed out. So it looks like it does get a good rinse. However, it still did clog, right? It clogged to the point where it wouldn't cut. I rinsed it out very easily. And now we're going to see if we can get this strip to actually be removed right now. Let's see. And no, still nothing. Still nothing. So I'm not liking sensitive razors, especially not for my purpose right now. That is going to end up giving me razor bumps, because even though I'm not shaving against the grain, I'm going over the same spot multiple times and nothing is happening. So at some point, it's going to kind of just end up tugging the hair out instead of actually cutting it. Because look y'all, it's pretty thick. Y'all see that? I'm going over it. A lot of times, nothing's coming off. If I was on live right now, I might just mess around and ask y'all if y'all want me to shave my head with the straight razor. If y'all want to see that, because I don't know if I'm going to do it. I don't know if I'm going to end up doing it or not. But I have shaved my entire head with a straight razor before. And I think I kind of want to try it right now. But it is going to take a lot of concentration. Should I try it? I might try it, y'all. I might try it, y'all. Because we already know that this razor, I'm not liking it right now. It's not fitting my needs. So I'm putting a whole bunch of shaving cream on my head. And we're going to turn this video into something else. I mean, it's going to be kind of scary. So I'm making this stuff thick. Oh yeah, it's going to be real thick. I need all the lubrication I can get. Straight razor time. Let's see. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta hit the thumbs up button. I'm over here being a daredevil for y'all. As you can see, it's definitely cutting. Whole bunch of hair in that soap there. Let me go ahead and rinse it off. And we're gonna continue. This is the way we're doing it for today's video. Just make sure you do very, very small strokes. By the way, the same exact blade that's in here right now is the one that I used when I lined up my beard the other day. Appreciate y'all for supporting that video too. Y'all definitely hit the thumbs up button and stuff. I was worried y'all wasn't gonna like the music, but some of y'all told me, you know, the music made it better. Y'all was just kind of concerned maybe the music was loud, but man, your boy was up in here bumping. That's what I do all the time. But here it is. Let me actually switch the position that I'm holding this razor. Make it easier. Anytime you're using a razor, like a one blade razor, you want to make sure you're just being careful that you're going just with the grain. You're not going in like a diagonal angle. I'm probably not even in the thing. Let me actually zoom this thing out so I can stand up. There it is, so y'all can see me fully. But there it is. I hear it cutting. We see it doing this thing. Alright, let's get over here where we was at. Y'all hear it too? Blade going straight up against the scalp. Alright, rinse it off. Daredevil moves here, man. How many of you guys use a straight razor to shave your head bald? I ain't gonna sit here and act like this is something I always do. I done told y'all already. I've only did it one other time, but this is definitely not something that people is gonna be willing to try, because you can get injured, man. That is my disclaimer. You can mess yourself up. So if you're trying to learn how to shave your head, make sure you guys learn the proper way by using, you know, like a disposable razor. You could use one right here, like a cartridge razor, or even better, that is using the exact same type of blade that I have in this. The same exact blade that's in here is also in here. This is a safety razor. So if you guys want to see me use this as well, I have plenty of videos on my channel where I've used this. This is a very good razor. I really like this one. But, you know, like I said, I always like to switch it up a little bit, which is why I always try to try new razors and stuff for you guys. So it just so happens that this razor, I love this razor. However, the sensitive version has a duller blade than what the other ones had on them. It seems to me. I could be wrong, but that's what I think. The fact that it is not getting through the cut, and I just don't have time to be playing games right now. So we're going to go ahead and use this. If y'all do end up trying something like this though, y'all got to be careful when you're cutting by your ears, because the skin on your ears, it's softer than the skin that's on top of your head, which means that you can actually cut yourself a lot easier around your ear. So make sure you put your finger there, and you're probably going to need to use some trimmers or something like that to clean it up real good by your ear. It's supposed to be stretching the skin on my head to make it easier for the razor to glide across, but with me having to use my hand to hold the mirror, it's I'm not able to do that. But small strokes. You see it? What this razor is not able to do, it gets clogged because it has to fit into these small holes here. This has no holes for it to fit through. It's straight all blade on all skin. One blade at that. So one blade can do a lot more work than even 5 blades. That's why these are the best, and why I use them as a finisher when I'm doing the lining on my beard and stuff like that. But y'all see it, how easy it's just getting through? I just don't want this stuff to end up falling on my shirt. That's why I keep stopping. But I don't really got to worry about it getting clogged or nothing. But let me actually pull my shirt back too. Straighten out the way. We're going to get the lower part of my neck. Get this part right here that I missed. Again, you want to make sure your skin is as straight as it can possibly be. If you do this and put like a wrinkle or something like that in the back of your head, and you try to cut that, oh, that's the easy way to get sliced up real quick. So again, this ain't something I recommend y'all do trying to be cool or trying to make a video to impress nobody, because I know the consequences of what can happen while I'm making a video. But fellas, don't let your wife do this to you. Trust me. Trust me. It's also my advice to, shit, don't never let none of your family members use a straight razor on you. Shit, you better learn how to do it yourself. You could let them cut your hair and mess up your hair or do whatever else, but as far as this straight razor goes, oh nah, I don't trust nobody like that. I ain't even let my mama shave my head with this. Y'all see it? Don't even gotta press hard at all. Not aggressive at all. Look how much hair it took out in one little slice. Big old pile of hair. It's piled up there. That's in 3D. All that in one swipe. I'm telling you, man. Ladies, if you're watching, or fellas, if you're watching and you want to give your lady a hint, tell her, look at the part that I'm saying this, tell her the minute, send her the video. And if your man sends you one of these right here, or if your man sends you this video, that means he wants one of these right here. This is the Parker SR1. The link is going to be in the description of this video, or you can go to the website neverdenieme.com/grooming, and all the products that I use and stuff are there. Make sure y'all get right. I gotta get it before it falls. So I hope y'all know that's the reason why I keep stopping to rinse it off, is because I just don't want it to fall on the floor. As far as getting clogged up, there's nothing for this razor to get clogged up on. So if I wasn't on camera, I would just have my shirt off, and I don't care if it goes all on the floor, on my back and stuff like that. But just for the video purposes, that's why I keep stopping. There we go. Now I think I need to come at it at a slightly different angle to get all this over here, because I can only use my right hand for this. Oh, this is gonna be kind of crazy. I'm holding this thing real weird. I'm gonna hold it like this so I can just try to keep this blade straight. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, there it is. So I went ahead and got that done. Alright, now we should be able to do it and knock this out just to make sure it's even all around. And now I can apply a bit of pressure. As I'm doing this too, it is also using the moisturizing strip that is on this the cartridge of this razor here to apply, to kind of give me, I guess, a smoother finish. That's not really a fair comparison to some of the other razors that I might have used where I didn't have as much hair on my head at the time, but this is just what it is for right now, man. So I'm just giving my review as I'm using it and my purpose for using it and stuff like that. So I just happen to be using this one right now. So for you guys that might think it's a good razor still for you and you don't let your hair grow as long as mine, I would still say give it a shot. It's still a great gift that you can give to somebody for Christmas or something, because again, that package for all these razors and the refills or whatever is still a great deal in my opinion. And it still does a good job. It still feels smooth and stuff like that. It's just, it cannot cut a large bulk of hair, which is what I was working with for today's video. Again, if you guys are new, you guys already know I'm going to end up using this razor in another video. I'm going to try to at least, and I'll give you guys an update on you know, how it does on the second time. I'll see if I can, you know, I guess try to shave in a couple days to see how it'll react here. Something else I got to praise myself for too, man. I don't even think I cut myself with the straight edge. If I did, it don't feel like it. I ain't in pain with nothing. And now we're going to be using some of this. I actually had this in my closet. Forgot all about it. I don't even know how long I've had this stuff, but it's when I was actually reviewing some of everything. But this is the Nivea Sensitive Cooling Post-Shave Balm. Some of my favorite stuff right here, but again, it got put in the closet as I started doing sponsorships and stuff like that. But now we can get back to this. It's a very light lotion. You can see it's just running down my hand here. This doesn't give you no type of sting or nothing like that. It's just a very, very smooth finish. And yeah, so this is the results of today's shave. It's looking good. It's feeling good. What I can say though is this right here was not very much help for today's shave, obviously. But if you guys are interested in, you know, getting tricky, getting bold on the shave with the straight edge razor, go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video though, but if you guys want to learn more tips and tricks and how to do this type of stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the cards that's on there, or the videos on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.